Hello guys, so what we have here is the unboxing of my new Samsung 46-inch LED HDTV, which is ultra slim with a 1.1 inch thin monitor, and it's the 6500 series, and it has a 1080p Full HD and 120 hertz. And it has internet and all that cool stuff. So let's go ahead and pull out my master knife and unbox it. I'm really excited here. This, by the way, is my first flat screen. It's a very thin box. We were worried it wouldn't fit on my car, but it did. Let's set this aside, and it looks like this is part of the control remote. Put this here. We have here the power cord. We have this plastic tube to insert all the keep all the cables on the back of the TV organized. We have some black, looks like stickies to organize more cables. Of course, the remote, which actually I won't be opening or using because I'll be using my iPhone Samsung app, which is awesome. It's Bluetooth, and it's nice that they give you some batteries though to go with your remote, and some other thingies here to use with your TV. I guess to keep all the cables organized over there. And that's it. Part of the back stand. Set this aside. So I researched for about a year to determine which one was going to be the one that I really had all the features that I wanted. This is the stand. I'm not too crazy about the stand, but it's a stand. You see, it's like an aluminum type X stand. Put this aside as well. Oh yeah! Like, I'm so excited, you can't even believe that. You want to do this with two persons. However, I'm here by myself, and these are the instructions and the registration form. Set that aside. Oh yeah. Look at that, baby. Woohoo! Ta-da! This is beautiful. As you can see, this Samsung is 1.1 inches thick. It's a beauty. So I'm gonna go ahead and set it up in the stand, and go ahead and take the paper off and play around with it a little bit. Thank you for watching.